So they think I wanna die, yeah, cause my dose is suicide, yeah, bet my coffin would be nice. Yeah.
They don't care.
Yeah.
You can stand on the walk, they'll just walk right under it. They don't care. Mini-cam sheep are very hard to see because they blend in so good to the mountain.
Yeah, I know.
So good. I've actually only ever seen one time here. The other ones I've seen have been on the way to Delaware.
Oh.
Because they don't blend in as much there because it's all green.
Yeah. Yeah, cause my dose is suicide, yeah, bet my coffin would be nice, yeah, stir that bitch up with some ice, yeah. These people don't want me alive, no, they wanna play games on my life, oh, the coupe doors are suicide, oh, the coupe doors are suicide, oh. Said I hope you got my note, bitch, hey, I left it on the suicide note, bitch, yeah. You left it on the floor, bitch. Hey, rule number one, never trust no bitch. Get this green and smoke this green, gotta stay potent. Pussy nigga talking shit, but he ain't no shit. Chicken noodle ass nigga, man, you boneless. Yeah, I keep my ratchet boy, you Polish way. Throwing bands tonight, shawty throwing bands tonight, throwing bands tonight. Ooh. So they think I wanna die, yeah, cause my dose is suicide, yeah, bet my coffin would be nice, yeah, stir that bitch up with some ice, yeah. These people don't want me alive, no, they wanna play games on my life, oh, the coupe doors are suicide, oh, the coupe doors are suicide, oh.
Mind of a killer, I might kill her. Down by the river, smoking like that swimmer. You Reggie, bitch, I'm Reggie Miller. I stand up and they laugh, bitch, I'm Bill Burr. You can't fucking stop me, it's like nobody against me. If a body against me, I'm winning my.
Okay guys, so we're at our little cabin thingy. It's pretty cool. I'm on the top bunk. I'm sleeping on the top bunk for tonight and tomorrow. There's a bed right there. There's the bottom bunk under me. We got all of our stuff in. We got our food, all sorts of stuff. There's a mini fridge here, and we got power, which is kind of cool. So yeah, we just got here. I don't know where we're going after, but yeah, hopefully it's fun. But we are in the back of like the whole thing, like the whole camping area where we're at. So we're like the most likely to see bears and get bears by us. So it's kind of scary if you think about it, but no, we're fine. We got bear spray. We got a big tub of it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's kind of cool. We got towels. We got everything. So yeah, I'm gonna see what we're gonna do next, and let's go.
Got my honey like Winnie, down in honey on Henny. I drink all the Jenny Black. I say fuck you and fuck that. Yeah, I'm lovesick, or maybe my love is sick. Been at a lot of bars, I got good coverage. I'm walking slow but fast, so I won't run.